Hi, Heartfridoy. I have presented to you some explanations about feathery and winged bipedal animals. I hope you like our channel video and like and subscribe to the channel. Birds, Latin, Spanish, Portuguese, Italian, ave, German, fogel, English, bird, French, oiseau, are two-winged creatures of land and water. Albeit a few bugs and bats have wings, just birds have feathers. There are around 10,000 types of birds on the planet. In this manner, all living birds have a place with the subclass. Neornithis. The bird class, Aves, is partitioned into 23 classes, 142 genera, 2056 genera, and 9,602 species. Nonetheless, new species are continually being found and new species are being recognized by separating a few old animal categories. The fossils found so far demonstrate that the birds showed up in the Jurassic period, around a long time back. As indicated by scientists, birds are the main posterity of the four-limbed dinosaur after the eradication of the Cretaceous Paleogene a long time back. Among the living birds, the honeybee hummingbird is the littlest, just 5 centimeters or 2 inches, and the ostrich is the biggest, 2.75 meters or 9 feet. Birds, similar to fish, creatures of land and water, reptiles, and warm-blooded animals, are likewise vertebrates. The primary elements of current birds are feathers, innocuous snouts, hard-shelled eggs with which they leave their posterity, four-chambered heart, high cell biochemical rate, light areas of strength for yet. And so on. All birds have wings, the main special case being the now dead New Zealand moa. The foremost limb has developed into a wing. Practically all birds can fly, and even birds that can't fly, for example, ostriches, penguins, are the result of the development of precursors fit for flying. A large portion of the birds that can't fly are local to a portion of the islands. The stomach-related and excretory cycles of birds are helpful for their simple flight and are very not quite the same as any remaining creatures. A couple of types of birds, particularly crows and tigers, are among the most wise creatures in the animals of the world. Collectively, a few types of birds have dominated the procedure of and utilizing little devices. In a few social birds, a large number of ages supposedly imparts the information fundamental for their endurance. A significant number of the birds are transient. At specific seasons they travel tremendous. Good way starting with one spot then onto the next. Unpredictable development of short lengths is more apparent from such exchanges. Most birds are social animals. They speak with one another through obvious signs and calls or whistles. They likewise participate in different social exercises, like partaking in rearing in similar season, colonizing together, flying in. Herds, searching for food in gatherings, and in any event, pursuing the adversary in gatherings. Most birds mate just for one reproducing season or a limit of 1 year, seldom mating for a lifetime. Polygamy or polygamy is likewise found in birds. Birds generally lay their eggs in their homes and their folks hatch with them. Most birds save their young for a few days subsequent to incubating. The financial significance of birds is a lot higher. Their significance as food is monstrous. Numerous species are pursued for meat and some are financially raised. Tia, moina, tota, chondana, numerous types of tune birds and Bari birds are exceptionally esteemed as homegrown birds. Guano fertilizer got from bird droppings is brilliant and has business. Significance. Birds cover a gigantic space in scholarly, social, strict and, surprisingly, social fields. From the 1800 years to the current day, 120 to 130 types of birds have been lost from the world because of different human exercises. Indeed, even before that, around 100 different species have faced a similar outcome. As of now, species like baroche are nearly annihilation because of human brutality. Lately, different measures have been taken to ration a few animal groups. As of now, species like baroche are nearly annihilation because of human brutality. Lately, different measures have been taken to ration a few animal groups.